Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Backup Generator for Home? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Backup Generator for Home on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Champion Power Equipment 100,891 9375/7500 watt dual. This home generator from Champion is as versatile as it is powerful. It can be fueled by gasoline to generate 7,500 watts of power or propane to generate 6,750 watts of power. It can provide continuous power for up to 10 hours on a full 7.7-gallon gasoline tank. With a 20-gallon propane tank, it can run for up to 5.5 hours. This Champion generator features an electric start to prevent struggling with the pull cord, 4 120V electrical outlets to satisfy your power demands and distribution of wattage, and 2 30-amp outlets for larger appliances. It boasts a digital gauge that monitors the generator's power output and engine run time. In addition to tracking scheduled maintenance intervals, it also provides an automatic low-oil shutoff to prevent premature engine damage. Finally, this generator includes 2 solid, never-flat tires and a folding handle for maximum portability. The disadvantages are that it's fairly expensive and doesn't offer a fuel gauge. Number 2. WEN 6000 watt RV-ready portable generator. WEN's portable home generator offers an impressive amount of power and features for an incredibly affordable price. This model is one of the best gas generators for power outages if you're on a budget. It produces 6,000 watts of power and can run for up to 7.5 hours on a full 3.4-gallon tank. It includes 2 standard electrical outlets, 1 30-amp RV outlet, and a household 30-amp outlet. Although it's not as powerful as some other options, it makes up for it with increased portability. Its compact dimensions of 23 by 17 by 17 inches combined with wheels and a folding handle to make transport as easy as possible. This generator also provides a digital display that monitors voltage output and engine run time and helps to track scheduled maintenance items. The disadvantages are that it might be underpowered for running multiple appliances and for powering larger homes, and it doesn't include a fuel gauge. Number 3. Westinghouse WGen 12,000 Ultra Duty Portable Generator. For satisfying the power demands of smaller homes, Westinghouse's 12,000 watt portable generator boasts one of the largest power output ratings among portable generators, making it one of the best gas generators on this list. Its gasoline-powered engine can provide up to 16 hours of continuous power on a full 10.5-gallon tank, and the fuel gauge conveniently monitors the fuel level. It features an electronic start that can be operated with the push button on the generator, or from a remote start key fob. For power supply options, the generator features 4 standard household outlets, 1 30-amp outlet ready for a transfer switch, and 2 USB ports for powering portable electronics. It also provides a digital display to monitor power output and engine run time and track scheduled maintenance items. The disadvantage: it's expensive, but the peace of mind it can offer to smaller homes during power outages may be worth the higher price tag. Number 4. Champion Power Equipment 100,519 6,250 watt open frame. Champion's inverter generator is as quiet as it is powerful. This 5,000 watt gasoline-powered home generator only produces a 69 decibel noise level, which is about the same as a vacuum cleaner and up to half as quiet as home backup generators with similar power ratings. Since it's an inverter generator, it naturally runs more efficiently. But Champion incorporated an additional economy mode that regulates voltage output based on demand. In fact, this generator can provide up to 12.5 hours of continuous power on a small 4.2-gallon fuel tank. It features 4 standard household electrical outlets, 1 30-amp household outlet, and 1 USB adapter, as well as a digital gauge to monitor energy usage and engine runtime. Number 5. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 1000 1002WH. Jackery's portable power station offers an excellent solution for acquiring portable and potentially free power. This power station has a 1,000 watt output capacity and can be fully charged with a standard household electrical outlet, portable generator, or car charger in just 8 hours. Jackery also offers an option that includes 2 100 watt solar panels that fold in half and have carrying handles for easy transport. Its 1,000 watts of output capacity isn't powerful enough to power an entire home, But this power station offers 3 standard AC outlets, 1 DC carport outlet, and 4 USB outlets for powering a wide range of electrical devices. Since it doesn't burn any fuel, it can be used indoors without fear of harmful emissions. Although the Jackery's battery life will vary depending on how it's being used, it can provide 100 full phone charges, power a 300-watt blender for 13 hours, and even power a pressure cooker and air conditioners. It also features a digital display for monitoring the battery life. The main disadvantages are that it's much less powerful than conventional generators and much more expensive than generators with comparable power output.